The court is calling 2025 CR 003177, 2025 CR 003176, State
Duffy
versus Fernando Leo. Can I have parties announce?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas.
Notice how quickly the judge jumps into case numbers? That's efficiency at its finest. But don't miss it. These numbers represent separate charges tied to one defendant. Multiple dockets often mean a tangled web of trouble.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Leo.
And are you Mr. Leo?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, in each cause number, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. In cause number ending in 176, the state is proceeding only on count 2, waiving and abandoning count 1. But in cause number ending in 177, the state is proceeding as indicted.
Any objections?
No objection. The repeaters on as well. Go ahead.
All right. Did you review the admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In cause number ending in 77, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 76 and count.
Boom! Unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. That's a third-degree felony in Texas. Folks, translation, 2 to 10 years behind bars. But that's not all. Add a possession of controlled substances charge, and suddenly the stakes double. This man is juggling fire.
2, you're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance. Penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right.
Here's an important legal nugget. Even if you have a plea deal, the judge doesn't have to honor it. Imagine thinking you've scored a bargain, only to have the judge throw the book at you anyway. Risky business.
To remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Or did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge.
Mr. Leal, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There are no applications. The cases will run concurrently. You're to forfeit the firearm. There's $60 to the Bexar County Lab for testing in 2025, CR 003176. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 003179. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 003176, how do you plead to count two? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in cause number 2025 CR 003177, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And there it is, the no contest plea. Quick explainer. No contest means the defendant isn't fighting the charges, but also isn't outright admitting guilt. It's like saying, I won't argue, but I won't confess either. Smart move? That depends on the strategy.
State any evidence to support the defendant's pleas.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both cases respectively, Your Honor.
No objection from the defense as to both.
And each state, you may be excused. And each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
And cause number 2025 CR 003177, the court will sentence you to 4 years.
Guilty verdict locked in. For years in prison, concurrent sentences. Now, concur means all sentences run at the same time. So instead of stacking years like bricks, he serves them together. Definitely better than consecutive time, where you're basically stuck on repeat.
Years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 003176. There's to be restitution of $60. And cause number 2025 CR 003176 for testing, you're to forfeit the firearm. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
Nothing further, Judge.
And in cause number 2025 CR 003176, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
Judge, you had already done 7-6. You were on, I thought you were on 7-7, but over.
I'm so sorry. I thought I had done 7-7. And
I just read 7-6.
in 3177, the court is sentencing you to 4 years in the prison, credit for time served. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 003176. There's to be restitution of $60 for laboratory testing in 2025 CR 003176, and you're to forfeit the firearm. And cause number 2025 CR 003176, the court is sentencing you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 003177. Take in consideration 2025 CR 003179. There's to be restitution of $60 to the Bexar County Lab for drug testing, and you're to forfeit the firearm. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in that cause number?
No, Your Honor.
In each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
No.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You're gonna have to make better choices. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
I would just wanted to say, man, I've never really been in a situation or watched situations like this so much. And you know, you deserve that spot up there. The things that you do for these people.
Wow, did you catch that? After all the legal fireworks, the defendant actually praises Judge Boyd. That's rare. In fact, it's almost unheard of in these tense courtrooms. The respect here shows just how impactful a fair judge can be, even when handing down prison time.
People I'm watching, and I've been here several times. The things that you do for these kids, I've seen it before. Like, these judges just don't care. And I hope you sit up there as long as you can, Miss Boyd. Like, you're doing a real good job. And I appreciate what you're doing for these people. Really.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
What you've made my day today. Because sometimes you always wonder if there's something else you could do, if you're doing the right thing.
You go above and beyond, ma'am. And people don't do that these days. And I really appreciate it. And I don't even know these people that you're doing this stuff for. And I hope you sit up there as long as you can. You deserve it.
Oh, thank you so much. You have a great day, okay?